In this video, we're going to go over what MetaMask is, what is causing there to be so much attention surrounding MetaMask right now, how to set up a MetaMask wallet, and how to cash in on a MetaMask airdrop. The latest trend in the DeFi space since 2020 saw companies like Uniswap and 1inch airdropping their native tokens to initial users of their platform. Now, these free token giveaways for community members have proven to be enticing for many users of these decentralized apps, leading to rumors that MetaMask could also be dropping tokens to its users. It has not yet been confirmed whether MetaMask will issue its own token or whether an airdrop will take place. This means that any suggested methods of interacting with the platform in order to get free tokens are pure speculation. However, the cat has been let out the bag in this tweet by Joseph Lupin, a Canadian entrepreneur best known for co-founding Ethereum as well as Consensus, a blockchain venture which develops Ethereum-based products, one example being MetaMask. MetaMask is one of the most popular Ethereum wallets and is also designed as a web browser plugin where platform users can transfer coins and carry out transactions to interact with different decentralized applications. Airdrops with a size of 5 to 6 digits have become the new standard in the crypto space, and more analysts believe that there are many more to come. Ethereum name service distributed around $17,000 to $30,000 in ENS tokens to its users on November 8, 2021. The anticipation of further windfalls has prompted a number of airdrop hunters looking for the next big windfall. So the big question is, could MetaMask be the next one? As a result, there has been heightened excitement in the possibility that MetaMask could be airdropping coins to its loyal users. Now, not knowing the exact requirement necessary to qualify for this supposedly imminent airdrop has led to a flurry of activity on the MetaMask wallet as well as Polygon, a popular Layer 2 platform on the wallet, with rumors circulating that MetaMask could possibly issue its own native token. MetaMask now has around 21 million monthly active users, which is a 38x increase in just 1 year. Also, its swap feature has enabled more than $10 billion in peer-to-peer token swapping. To download MetaMask onto your desktop from a Chromium-based browser such as Chrome or Microsoft Edge, click on the 3 dots to the top right of your browser. Click on More Tools and then Extensions. Next, search for MetaMask in the search box if you don't already have it. In my case, I already have it. After you've downloaded MetaMask, click on Create a new wallet. The next question is optional. Next, you'll be asked to create a strong password and to agree to the terms and services. Once you're given your 12-word secure phrase, make sure to write it down in a safe place. You will be asked to reconfirm your phrase, and after this, the creation of your MetaMask wallet is now complete. In the event that the rumors of there being a MetaMask airdrop do get confirmed, then these are the steps you want to put in place to ensure that you can become eligible to be a recipient. You have websites like airdrops.io, which will generally attempt to give you up-to-date information on airdrops that are imminent, airdrops that are ongoing, and the like. Okay, so right here is a website worth checking out. It's called airdrops.io. I've left a link in the description box below. And basically, it just gives a rundown of current, past, and future airdrops. So here it gives a step-by-step guide telling you exactly what you need to do in order to ensure that you can be a recipient of the MetaMask airdrop in the event that they do carry out one. But this is a useful website. If you look at the tabs at the top, it tells you under latest, the airdrops that you can connect with via these various social media platforms. And here, the hot airdrops. We click on that. Okay. And it tells you here you will find the hottest or the most popular airdrops running right now. Okay. So definitely worth checking out. And if we scroll down, we'll find MetaMask right here. And we'll find Sologenic right here. Sologenic is an airdrop that is still ongoing. And I want to say that the temperature ratings here probably just shows how popular these airdrops are. Potential airdrops, holders airdrops. So again, this would be airdrops specific to holders of these various coins. Upcoming airdrops and frequently asked questions. This is a good one. So when we click on frequently asked questions, in the event that you do have questions, you can just come here and check this FAQ out first. I'll leave this link for you in the description box below. Now, not all airdrops are created equal, so you always have to be on the lookout for scammers whose only interest is getting your money away from you. And so with that in mind, you always want to be better safe than sorry. So the first thing, use your hardware wallets wherever you can. Never give your private keys to anyone, not anyone at all. Your private keys are called private for a reason. Always use very unique and very strong passwords. Do not send ETH, BTC, or any other coins to any airdrop. I'm not too sure what number 5 is actually referring to, but definitely point number 6 is a must. Activate your 2-factor authentication wherever possible. So, happy airdropping. Well, that's all, folks. I hope you've learned something from this video. And if you have, the only thing I ask is that you hit that like button, comment below, because I do use your comments to better inform me of what other content to create. Share with your friends and family. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, but most importantly, don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you get my videos as soon as I upload them. And I'll meet you in the next video.